Yeah. Look. Just tell you how the fuck I feel. Even if I'm on my T-Pain auto-tune shit, I'm still smooth with my shit, young kid. I tell them, and I say, fuck the motherfucking talking, shawty, we could get it cracking. No games, it's about time for that action. I say, fuck the motherfucking talking. Yeah. Fuck the motherfucking talking. Look. Okay, I'm bout that. Shorty say she bout that. Bragging about how she gon' ride this dick, and I don't doubt that. Shorty, bring that mouth back. Let me take you out back. Penny bras ain't no exceptions. You coming out that. Listen, I'm a real nigga. I ain't for them games though. You can't tell me the same shit you tell these lames. So ain't tryna be a player, but I'm putting you on game though. Niggas say you going, I say tell me that it ain't so. Pussy got my mind gone, but I can't show her that. Think I need a mitten from the way that shawty throw it back. I'm feeling like this shit a trap, and I ain't never been a rap. Ass poking out, I'm thinking how can I get into that? Lil' mama know the drill though. Got what niggas kill for. Call my shit the green light, I'll pull it out, she will go. I'ma keep the G tonight, I'm all about the confiscation. So you know it ain't no need for no conversation. Just fuck the motherfucking talking. Yeah. And I say fuck the motherfucking talking. Look. And I say fuck the motherfucking talking. Shawty, we could get it cracking. No games, it's about time for that action. I say fuck the motherfucking talking. Yeah, fuck the motherfucking talking.